Well, there has been a fire that is blurry, broken out. You can see it right here. Only a farmer would know. So let's go see. Well, there has been a fire that is blurry, broken out. You can see it right here. It looks like they've got some of it contained now. Dakota actually called it in. We saw some smoke earlier, but thought it was just a brush fire, which we think is what it started out with, but we rode up by there and we couldn't see anyone there with the fire, and we could tell, well, Dakota could tell because he used to be on the fire department, but he could tell that it had kind of started out as a brush fire and then it had got like not contained. So anyways, he called it in and the fire department is there now, so hopefully it looks a lot better than it did, so hopefully they will get that taken care of. Fires are so scary. Our cows are over here just grazing away. All the care in the world. Like I said last video, it's always something. Dakota was sitting on the porch watching the fire, which I guess it worked out, but then he noticed we have calves in the lot and they shouldn't be, and we don't know how they got in. Oh my goodness. I think they probably got underneath the gate, but he says there's no way. But I'm like, calves are very curious creatures. On this. Oh. I guess that's all. I don't know. Well, Dakota says that he has found where they got in, and he's going to show me before he fixes it, because he says only a farmer would know. So let's go see. Let's go see. Okay, so we have a calf gate right here, and we had this gate hooked to the calf gate. Well, there was just one little panel, but I told you calves are very curious, and so they like went through, got on this side, and then come back through the one single little open panel. So we have to put it back that way so that this gate will shut completely. That was the problem, because this gate didn't like completely shut to this post, but we didn't think it would cause an issue, but apparently. Hudson's driving over here. Are you driving?
I'm trying to turn that way.
Okay. while since I've done any updating of sorts. We've had some interesting things going on. Showed you the fire. They got that put out. Everything's great. Good. It didn't get too bad. I think it burned about 4 acres of land. Could have been a lot worse, so thankful it wasn't any worse than it was. We did have some severe weather, but luckily here at the farm, it didn't get that bad. We got around 2.5 inches of rain, which we desperately needed, so that was okay because it rained super quick on Friday, and then it was just kind of a gradual steady rain on Saturday, which was great. Everything has, if you can see, I'm sitting on the road here, but everything has really greened up, so that has been wonderful. My sickness is finally on its way out, I hope. And so back to the severe weather. Sorry, squirrel. So here at the farm, like I said, we mainly just got rain, and surprisingly enough, we didn't get hardly any wind. I think we got a couple gusts that were like 25 miles an hour, but that was it. I was so thankful. It was such a miracle because we've had so much wind this winter. But anyways, but the closest town to us, like town, which would be Chilhowie, they had a lot of damage to buildings and stores and schools, and it's just a mess. But thankfully, I don't think anyone got hurt, which is amazing. It was just mainly like structure damage and stuff of that nature. So, but as for on the farm, we've not been doing a whole lot, just checking cows, making sure they're on the pasture that they're supposed to be on, and they've got mineral, just all the routine things. So, but yeah, not much to update on that sort of thing. But this evening, we are going over to my grandfather and grandmother's house. I call them Papa and Nana. But we're going over there because Papa has some hay rings he wants to get rid of. So we are going to pick those up. And I thought maybe I'll see if he'll talk to us a little bit. I don't know if he will or not. He's kind of shy, kind of not. So we'll see. Good my way.
Did you help Peppa load them?
You got an idea?
You want to get in it? Come here.
Those are big hay rings, Stetson. Those are big.
I have an idea.
You set that down, I'll get it.
Careful, babe. Hold on, watch out, baby. Here comes Papa. What do you think of those hay rings, baby? You like them?
Where you going?
My boss down here. Ready and waiting.